Welcome to this instructional video on how to install the drain for the garden tub. Start by carefully tilting the bathtub so you can easily access the drain opening. Insert the drain into the drain opening from inside the tub. Next, place the rubber gasket around the drain on the underside of the bathtub. Place the nut onto the drain and tighten it securely. Insert the mounting tool into the opening from inside the tub and use a screwdriver or a similar tool to hold it firmly in place. From the outside, it should look like this. Then hold the drain on the outside in place with pliers. For this step, you will need an extra pair of hands, as the drain must be firmly tightened from the inside using the tool. Then tighten the first part of the pipe onto the drain. Then place the second part on top of the first and tighten it. Make sure the connection is aligned with one of the 4 openings. In this case, we are using the left opening. Then simply tighten the third part. For the final step of the drain, attach the garden hose to the third part and secure it tightly with a hose clamp. It should then look like this. Make sure the garden hose runs through the opening on the left or right side, so the bathtub does not rest on the hose. Turn the bathtub upright again. The only thing left to do is tighten the pop-up cover and remove the protective layer. That's the installation complete. You can now open and close the drain. Fill your tub with water and enjoy the garden tub.